Hey y'all, this is Mary. I'm so glad you stopped by today. If this is your first time to visit my channel, I hope you'll consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do, don't forget to ring the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Now, my good friend Linda, who's a Close to My Heart consultant, sent me two awesome kits from the January-February Close to My Heart catalog, and I want to show you two cards I made using the kits. Now, the kits are called Happiness Lives Here. That one's really pretty. I love the colors in this one. And the second one is called Sweet Safari, and it is so cute for a new baby or a baby's first birthday. There's so many things that you can do with these kits. Now, each kit comes with an instruction guide that will tell you exactly what sizes to cut the cardstock and the paper for each card. And you can see here we have examples of cards and how to put it together. You'll get 16 card bases and envelopes in each kit so that you can make 4 cards of the 4 examples shown in the guide. Or you can use the awesome stamps and dies that come with the kits, as well as the cardstock, papers, and embellishments to do your own thing. And you know I like to do that a lot. Either way, you're going to love these two kits. So I'm going to leave you a link directly to each of these kits on Linda's Close to My Heart site so that you can check them out. Now, let me show you the two cards I made with these kits and how I put them together. Now, the first one is this cute little giraffe card. And this is from the Sweet Safari set. And you can see it's similar to this one, but I changed it up just a little bit. Just gave it a little bit of a tweak. Now, for my sweet little giraffe, which I stamped and cut out with the die, I used some Tim Holtz Distress Oxide in Spiced Marmalade. I think he turned out really cute. And the dimensions on this, I cut my polka dot paper at 4 by 5 1/4. The blue border I cut at 1.5 inches by 5 1/4, and this little striped border came on the top of the pattern paper. It's a little zip strip, and it's already 1/2 inch, and I cut it 1/2 inch and 5 1/4. Now, this little turquoise border right down here, they have it as a banner in the example. But I just went ahead and cut it at 3/4 inch by 4 inches and put it down here at the bottom so the giraffe would have something to stand on. And for the sentiment, I used this stamp set that came with it. And I used Wild About You, but it also has It's Your Day and Love You Fiercely. And look at these cute stamps, guys. There's a sweet little monkey, a little crocodile, a little onesie that says the world is getting cuter. Of course, the sweet giraffe. There's a tiny heart, a bigger heart, and some little dots. And like I said, it comes with the dies as well, which are really easy to use. But I just cut 1.25 inch square, turned it on its side, and stamped Wild About You with my Memento Tuxedo black ink. And I think this is really cute. You could use it for a Valentine's Day card, for a new baby, lots of ways you can use this. So that is from Sweet Safari. I'll leave you a link to this one. Now let me show you the card I made with Happiness Lives Here. And here are the examples. I did this card, but I also tweaked it. This is shown as a portrait style. I turned it over and I did it as a landscape. And this has just the cardstock, but I used the back side of this pretty flowered paper. I also took my Cricut and cut a scalloped oval out of white and one out of some of the cardstock that I've backed the card with that comes in the kit. Now, the scalloped oval you'll find in Elegant Edges on page 23, and I cut it at 3.5 inches, and I cut the shadow at 3.5 inches. My card base is 4 by 5.25 out of that pretty yellow cardstock, and then these 4 rectangles. This is the same paper, but it's double-sided. So I just cut 4 of these at 1 7/8 inches by 2.5 inches, and I just flipped 2 of them over to the back side. Now this cute little typewriter, which comes in the stamp set, I stamped that in some Tim Holtz Distress Oxide, and for it I used iced spruce because I thought it went so well with these pretty greens and kind of blues in this paper. And it does, it matches really well. And for my sentiment, I took the stamp set and I took You Are My Sunshine, and I stamped that in Tim Holtz Fossilized Amber. So right there it says You Are My Sunshine, and that ink matches the cardstock that comes in this kit. This could be used for friendship, thinking of you, happy birthday, lots of different occasions for this card. But I think it turned out really pretty. Now I'm going to give you a link to both of these kits over at Linda's Close to My Heart site. I know you want to check them out. They are both awesome kits, guys, and there's so many ways that you can use these cards. So be sure and check it out. Thank you all so much for coming by today and letting me show you these cards and these kits. I love both of them. And I will see you again soon with another card. I love you all. God bless you all. Bye now.